Did you do it? It's 7:19 Central Standard Time, and we are looking at the GO-16 satellite. Thank you, Sierra, College of DuPage, and Google Earth. And we're going to show you that massive dust storm off the coast of Africa is still taking place. You see, it's just massive. If you look at nighttime, it's just awesome. This is the Cape Verde Islands. I'm gonna go here. Let's see. We got the GO satellite there, and then we got the College of DuPage. Shows dry air masses. Cape Verde Islands. And then we can take you up to the wind flow data. It's pretty extreme here, but it heads straight on down here on this side. And that's how that dust storm is kind of wanting to circle around. This is kind of cool over here. Look at this up here on the left, upper left-hand corner. Anyway, that's awesome. Pretty cool stuff here. This is at, better give credit, who's this? nullschool.net. No, earth.nullschool.net. Thank you. And Google Earth. There's Cape Verde Islands. And I can't tell you how old that is. Let's see this again. What's that? Let's just check this out. Pretty cool, look at that. It's off the east coast of the United States, March 26, 2018. Massive dust storm off Africa. There it is, folks. Did you do it? Check back with me later.